Now, there's nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to become. You are here, now. Let the noise of the day fall away. The conversations, the worries, leave them aside. This moment belongs entirely to you. You already know somewhere beneath the surface of your thinking mind that there is a power moving through your life. You felt it in moments of unexpected grace, in the breath that arrives without you asking, in the love that came when you least deserved it and needed it most. Tonight, we are not reaching outward for that power. We are turning inward. Place your awareness now gently inside your own chest, your heart chakra. No force, no demand, simply arriving at the center of yourself. As you might walk into a quiet room and simply stand there. The kingdom of God is not in holy mountains. It is not in temples built by human hands. It is not waiting for you somewhere out there in the future. It is here within you, in this breath, in this moment. The whole of divine life, infinite, eternal, complete, dwells at the very core of your being, right now. You have never been separate from it. You could not ever be, even if you try. Let this land. I have never been separate from the source of all life. Now I want to invite you into a remembrance, not a belief, not a wish, a remembrance. Because what we are touching tonight is not something new. It is something ancient and true that you have always known at a level far deeper than thought, far older than memory. You are not a human struggling to find God. You are a divine being, an individual expression of the one infinite life that has never stopped breathing itself into form through you. Breathe that in. I am an expression of infinite life. I did not create myself. I am sustained by the same power that holds the stars in their courses and calls the tides home. There is a union between you and the divine that cannot be dissolved. Not a union you must create. Not a union you earn through good behavior or spiritual achievement. Oh no. This is a union that is, that has always been, that cannot be broken. Not by fear, not by failure, not by forgetting. Even in the forgetting, it remained. Even when you turned away, it never did. And so tonight, we're not building something new. We are simply remembering. Like a sovereign being who forgot the throne they were born to, and now walk back into the palace, look around, and thinks, yes, this is mine. This has always been mine. Your divine sovereignty is not granted to you by the world. It cannot be taken by the world. It is written into the very fabric of what and who you are. Here is where this work asks something radical of you. It asks you to enter this stillness without asking for anything. No requests, no bargains, no spiritual shopping list. The moment desire enters this space, the desire to get something, to fix something, to receive something, we've stepped out of true communion and back into thinking mind. So now, in this moment, set down every request. Set down what you came here hoping to receive. Set down the healing you are waiting for, the answer you are seeking, the change you are praying will come. Not because those things don't matter, they do, but because there's something available to you right now that is deeper than any answer to that question. Any question. There is the presence itself. And the presence, when you rest in it without agenda, brings everything that is needed, not because you asked, but because it is the nature of love to give. The way the sun, Amun-Ra, doesn't decide to shine, it simply is light, and light illumines everything it touches. You are touched by that light now. You are in that light now. Let yourself receive it. There's a moment available in every sincere meditation when human thought finally quiets and something deeper than thought makes itself known. It may come as a feeling of warmth, of expansion, of a gentle, unearned certainty that all is well. It may come as simply a deepening of the silence. It may come as a single word, a breath, or simply peace. However it comes for you, welcome it. This is the presence announcing itself in the language your soul understands. Rest here now. Receive me thus. Receive me thus. You are the temple. The divine lives here, not in some distant heaven, not in a future version of yourself, not after you've fixed everything that feels broken. Here, now, in this body, in this breath, in this awareness that is reading existence through your presence. Let yourself be held by that now, not by effort, but by surrender. When a person truly lives from this place of inner union, the fruits come naturally, not through striving, not through strategy. Love flows, joy rises without reason, peace settles in the bones, a quiet courage appears where fear once lived, a generosity that doesn't deplete begins to move through every relationship. These are not things you manufacture. They are what pours forth when the channel is clean, when you are no longer standing in the way of your own good. And here is the most beautiful truth of all. Every soul that awakens to its own divine nature becomes a quiet light in the world. Be ye lamps in the world, not through preaching nor performing, simply through being. When you walk out of this room tonight, you carry that stillness with you. That knowingness resides in every iota of your being, in every room you enter, every conversation you have, every moment of difficulty or beauty that you ever meet, you bring this knowing. I am never separate from the source. The presence is who I am. I am whole. I am held. I am free. I am that I am that I am. I am the way and the light and the love. I am in service to the One. I am that I am that I am. Begin to feel the weight of your body again, the room around you, the breath moving gently in and out. Allow your fingers to move and your toes. And as you return to full awareness, carry this truth with you like the lamp held. You are a sovereign soul, an eternal, individualized expression of the one life who chose to walk in this world at this auspicious time, in this body, in keeping with the divine design for your life. The throne was never empty. You simply forgot you were sitting in it. Tonight, you remember